Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious cilantro rice. Of course, from that famous restaurant, Chipotle. I am sure you guys are going to love this recipe. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready our rice. I am going to be making 2 cups of rice, any type of rice you have at home. Let me tell you, this cilantro lemon rice comes out so delicious and amazing. But first things first, you need to rinse your rice until the water comes out nice and clear. This is going to take a couple minutes, but this is very important, beautiful family. You really want the every little granule when it's cooked to be pulled apart. So make sure that you really rinse it really good for a couple minutes. Like I said, until the water runs clear. You want to get all that excessive white liquid that comes out, all the starch. You want to remove as much starch as you can. And of course, I am going to use my rice cooker. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This is so it doesn't stick. And I'm going to be using 4 cups of hot water. Yes, for every cup of rice, you're going to use 2 cups of water. I am using hot water. And now I am ready to put it into my rice cooker, and it's gonna cook in about 10 to 15 minutes. When the machine beeps, the rice is ready to go. And now, of course, I have 1 lemon. Of course, you could use lime, but this is what I have at home. And the rice really comes out so delicious, so fresh, just amazing. This is my organic lemon from my garden. So I'm making sure that I remove all the amazing juice. Of course, with the fork, I'm going to remove the seeds. You don't want the seeds to go into your amazing rice. It's going to get bitter. So remove all the seeds and then wake up your garlic cloves. Take the skin off and then dice in very small little pieces. You really want to dice it really good. Once it's nice and diced, put it in a plate and then you're ready to continue. And let me tell you, in total, I want to use 4 garlic cloves. So here I left 1 in the plate, and now, of course, I am going to wake them up, dice it really good, and transfer it into a plate until I am ready to use it. The rice cooker is doing its thing, and I am dicing away all my garlic. Once you have your garlic, put it aside. Now get a bunch of cilantro and use the stems. Yes, only use the stems. The stems really have a lot of flavor and it's going to give it such an earthy flavor. I know there's a lot of people that don't like the flavor of cilantro, but I love it. And this recipe makes the rice so delicious and fresh that I'm sure you guys are going to love it too. In the pan, I added my 3 tablespoons of butter. I added my garlic. Once the garlic starts releasing the aroma, the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add your lemon juice. Reduce the heat. Reduce the heat and very low heat, and then start adding your steamed rice. Be careful. I don't want you to get burned, so be careful. Take your time. The rice is really soft. The granules of rice really pull apart. Nothing sticks when you add just a teaspoon of oil when you're cooking your rice. And now I'm just going to incorporate the butter, the garlic. Once it's incorporated, we're going to add the cilantro right on the top. Don't cover your rice. You don't want to cook the cilantro. You want the cilantro to be nice and fresh. Turn off the stove and let me show you. Look how this looks. The aroma of the garlic and cilantro have infused all my kitchen. But this is exactly how you want to enjoy it, with the cilantro nice and fresh on the top. So don't cover it, leave it open. You could enjoy it just like this, of course, adding chili oil, Mexican chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha right on the top, and you have that amazing recipe. And here, let me show you. I added a little more cilantro at the top, and then I'm ready to plate it. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Remember, I cook and I show you what I make at home, what I enjoy with my beautiful family. I love this lemon, garlic, rice with cilantro. Every time we go to this restaurant, I really love the taste. So earthy, so delicious. It's a copycat of Chipotle restaurant. Like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious cilantro lemon rice. Of course, like that famous restaurant, El Chipotle. Let me tell you, this rice comes out so delicious and amazing. And without that garlic, just perfection made at home. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, so delicious. Let me tell you, this rice goes with carne asada, with grilled chicken. You decide, but even just like this is perfect. Mmm, amazing. If you like and love this amazing cilantro, lemon, rice, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious lemon cilantro rice. It came out perfect. See you soon. Bye bye.